Are you aware? The world is changing. Throughout history, humanity has been divided into two groups, masters and slaves. This division was based on the existence of forced labor. However, with the invention of the steam engine towards the end of the 18th century, these dynamics began to change. The advancement of technology triggered a transformation that fundamentally altered the master-slave dynamics in human history. Are you aware the world is changing? The steam engine and the subsequent industrial revolution mechanized production processes. This transformation shook the economic foundations of slavery and paved the way for its gradual abolition. England was among the countries that abolished slavery in 1833, America in 1865, and Russia in 1861. These movements led to deep and lasting changes in society. Technological advancement has also contributed to the expansion of rights for women, racial minorities, and animals. The mechanization of the production line and the development of computers increased women's participation in the workforce and began to question traditional gender roles. The increased use of machinery in agriculture and industrial production has allowed animals to be freed from tasks such as carrying loads and working in the fields. Now, we live in the age of AI robots. AI and robotic technologies are taking over tasks that were once considered chores. While it is true that this situation will leave some unemployed, it also paves the way for creativity and innovation for a large portion of society. Freed from drudgery, people will be able to unleash their genius and thus make greater contributions to society. Are you aware? The world is changing. Artificial intelligence robots are taking over all the chores that humanity has placed on them as the new roots of the world. This situation shows that, contrary to fears that artificial intelligence will take over the world, the integration of artificial intelligence robots into society is actually an inevitable reality. Artificial intelligence will not take over the world, but it will take over forced labor, which will allow society to become more just and egalitarian. This technological advancement is starting a new wave of transformation in society. Those who volunteered for the old slavery will no longer find a place in this new order. This means that humanity must redefine itself and rethink social roles. Are you aware? The world is changing. The advancement of technology is opening the doors to a more just and equal society that will change the master-slave dynamics in human history. As the new slaves of the world, artificial intelligence robots offer humanity the opportunity to escape from drudgery and fully express their creativity. This is not only a technological transformation but also a social and ethical evolution. The world is changing.
Dünya değişiyor.